One of the biggest concerns I hear from retirees is, what if I outlive my money? It's a real risk, but it's one we can plan for. Here's how. Welcome to Wealth in Motion, a series designed to help you make informed, confident decisions as you move into and through retirement. I'm Miles Derco, Senior Wealth Advisor at Derco Wealth Partners with RBC Dominion Securities. Let's talk about how to make your retirement savings last. There's no one magic formula, but there are a few key principles that can make a big difference. First, let's start with a reasonable life expectancy. It's uncomfortable, but it's important. While predicting how long you'll live is impossible, considering factors like family history and health can provide a reasonable estimate. Choose a sustainable withdrawal rate. Not too aggressive, not too conservative. The right balance depends on your lifestyle, your portfolio, and your risk tolerance. Invest for growth and resilience. Even in retirement, your money should keep working for you. A diversified portfolio can help manage volatility and keep pace with inflation. Regular reviews and adjustments are also essential to keep you on track. Plan for healthcare. These costs often rise later in life, and they can have a major impact on how long your savings are going to last. It's not just about having enough, it's about knowing how to draw from it in a way that supports your life and your goals. If you're unsure how long your savings will last, it's worth revisiting your plan with someone who can look at the full picture and help you adjust along the way. Thanks for watching.